So hello and welcome to another lecture in Argo CD GitOps course by techlatest.net. So far we had covered a lot of things like Argo CD, workflows and strategies, application deployment using Argo CD, overview of Argo CD, setup and installation of Argo CD on various cloud platforms including AWS, GCP and Azure, then benefits of Argo CD, key features like what is Argo CD. So now in this lecture we will cover basically the Argo CD monitoring and troubleshooting, like what is exactly monitoring and what is troubleshooting and how you find the more troubleshooting and the stuff in Argo CD. Okay, so basically if you're talking about monitoring or other stuff, so first let's understand what is Argo CD. So it's an declarative GitOps continuous delivery tool for Kubernetes. It automates the deployment of application defined in a Git repository to Kubernetes cluster, aligning with the principle that the desired state of application is reflected accurately in your version control system. Okay, so matrices and log. So basically, Argo CD emits various matrices in Prometheus formats, which you can use to monitor the health and performance of your application and the Argo CD system itself. Key matrices includes operation during sync status and Kubernetes API interaction. Logging, on the other hand, provides insight into operational aspects and can help in diagnosing issues related to specific operation or configuration. So basically, if you are talking about sync failures and other stuff, so one of the most common issues with Argo CD is sync failures. Okay, here you can see the sync apps and refresh apps option. If you click on this deployed application, so here you can see the sync status is synced. If the status is failed, so here you can see the failed, the sync status is failed. Okay, basically our sync status is passed, so here you can see the synced. Okay, so one of the most common issues with Argo CD is sync failures. This can error due to misconfiguration, network issues, or incompatible Kubernetes states. To troubleshoot, check the Argo CD logs for errors related to specific resource and review the kubectl output for clues about the state of the cluster that might be causing conflicts. Argo CD supports integration with multiple authentication providers. Issues here often be tracked before to misconfiguration in your auth or RBAC settings. Okay, if you go on settings, then if you go on project, if you go on this project, then here you can find about the role. Then basically you can give roles to others and this type of stuff. Okay, then logs will typically provide detailed error message that can guide you corrective actions. Argo CD uses hooks for lifecycle management of application. Failure in these hooks can install deployments. Examining hook log and the corresponding Kubernetes events can help identify whether scripting errors or Kubernetes resources limits are the cause. So, best practices for ongoing maintenance, regular updates and patching. Keep your Argo CD instance and its dependence up to date, minimize vulnerabilities and bugs that could affect performance. Ensure what ensure that your logging and monitoring systems are comprehensive and cover all aspects of the Argo CD architecture. So this setup helps in quickly pinpointing the source of issues when they arise. Leverage the knowledge and experience of the Argo CD community. Engaging actively in community forums and GitHub can provide insights and solutions from other users who might have faced and resolved similar issues. In conclusion, effective monitoring and troubleshooting of Argo CD are the foundational to maintaining a robust deployment workflow in Kubernetes environment. By leveraging matrices, logs, and community wisdom, you can ensure that your deployment processes are both efficient and reliable. So that's all about this lecture. I hope you guys like this lecture. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Also follow us on LinkedIn, Twitter, and Medium. And I hope you guys like this lecture. Bye bye. We will meet in next lecture. Techlatest.net help businesses adopt new technologies by providing products and services for asserting, learning, and mastering latest technology. If you click products and support page, so you can find a lot of categories like AI, blockchain, DevOps, developer tools, data analytics, and business. Then if you check the AWS marketplace of techlatest.net, so you can find a lot of amazing products on latex technology, same for GCP and same for Azure. So we have all products on all the three cloud platforms, AWS, GCP, Azure. You can also check out our blog page on Medium. We have write lot of amazing stuff on blog. Then you can also check up our Udemy page. We have provide lot of courses on latest technology, and same here on YouTube. So all are free. So that's all about the tech.